क्या आपकी क्या राय है कि मतलब वोटिंग करनी चाहिए? हाँ जी,
ये वोट जीत गया तब अधिकार है, मर गया तो अधिकार खत्म हो गया। और ऐसा नेता चुनेंगे जो अपने लिए नहीं पब्लिक के लिए,
पब्लिक के लिए जो
सरकार का सब कुछ दूंगी, कोई क्या किसी नहीं बड़ी अगर जेड़े गांव के करींदे ना है नहीं कोई काम
नलका तो लगा हुआ है पर पानी तो नहीं आता ना इतना।
Devastating flood in Jammu and Kashmir took a toll of over 300 lives. Chief of Army Staff General Dalveer Singh Suhag said that communication and connectivity is creating the biggest problem in rescue operations in flood-ravaged areas of the state. According to the latest update, over 76,000 people are rescued by Army, Air Force and NDRF.
Army has intensified rescue operations in flood-hit areas of Jammu and Kashmir. Under Operation Saita and Operation Rahat, security forces has rescued 76,000 people from inundated areas. To provide food and other important relief material, Indian forces has started sorties from Amritsar to Srinagar.
Muzaffarnagar police filed a charge sheet against BJP National President Amit Shah allegedly delivering objectionable speech during a poll campaign of Lok Sabha elections. He created a controversy by using Izzat and Badla type of words. If he found guilty, then Amit Shah could be jailed for a maximum period of 3 years.
Owner of Kingfisher Airline Vijay Mallya is in fresh trouble. State Bank of India has sent a fresh notice to him. In a notice, it was said that Mallya intentionally not paying the loan over 1600 crore rupees. Now SBI is planning to sell the Kingfisher Villa in Goa and Kingfisher House in Mumbai.
In the world of web, your privacy is on stake. It became evident as about 5 million Gmail accounts were hacked recently. A list of almost 5 million combination of Gmail addresses and passwords is posted online. Experts say the password seems to be old and they don't actually appear to the Gmail account.
Aam Aadmi Party today submitted the CD of sting operation of BJP MLA to the Lieutenant Governor Naseer Chand. In order to prove that BJP was allegedly involved in horse trading, Aam Aadmi Party urges Naseer Chand to rewrite his letter sent to the President, in which he sought the permission to invite the BJP to counter.
Scottish referendum today. It is a D-Day for Scotland, as their citizens will decide whether they should stay with the United Kingdom or as an independent nation. This comes despite British Prime Minister David Cameron appeal for unity. The fate of Scotland will be decided when the Scot vote through a referendum on Thursday.
Jeetu Rai became first Indian marksman to qualify for 2016 Rio de Janeiro Olympics. Rai won the World for Olympic by winning a silver medal in 50-meter pistol event at 51st ISSF World Championship currently underway in Spain.
Leading manufacturer in computers, smartphones has officially launched iPhone 6 in market. Launching iPhone 6 in Cupertino. The official said it will come in shopping outlets on 19 September. iPhone 6 is equipped with new features and have large display screen. India's largest selling car maker, Maruti Suzuki, has come up with exciting festival offer for its buyers. Now company is targeting its customer according to festival season like Onam in Kerala and Ganesh Mahotsav in Maharashtra and Navratri in North India.
क्या आपकी क्या राय है कि मतलब वोटिंग करनी चाहिए? हाँ जी,
ये वोट जीत गया तब अधिकार है, मर गया तो अधिकार खत्म हो गया। और ऐसा नेता चुनेंगे जो अपने लिए नहीं पब्लिक के लिए,
पब्लिक के लिए जो
सरकार का सब कुछ दूंगी, कोई क्या किसी नहीं बड़ी अगर जेड़े गांव के करींदे ना है नहीं कोई काम
नलका तो लगा हुआ है पर पानी तो नहीं आता ना इतना।